5G technology, the next generation of mobile network. 5G promises to revolutionize the way we connect, communicate, and interact with technology. But what exactly is 5G, and how will it impact both the computing industry and society? 5G is the fifth generation of mobile network designed to deliver much faster data speeds, lower latency, and the ability to support billions of connected devices. It's a huge it's a huge step forward from 4G, and its potential is vast. What is 5G? Unlike 4G, 5G offers significantly faster data rates, up to 100 times faster than 4G, and lower latency, which means nearly instant communication between devices. But that's not all. 5G also introduces network slicing, which allows for creating customized virtual networks within a single infrastructure. Deployment of 5G. NSA and SA modes. 5G is being deployed in two phases. First, there's a non-standalone, where 5G new radios are connected to existing 4G infrastructure. Then there's standalone, where the 5G network operates independently with a fully virtualized core. Ch- Challenges in deployment. The transition from 4G to 5G isn't going to happen overnight. It's a multi-year journey, with 5G coexisting with 5G during the rollout, similar to how 4G took years to become widespread. Key benefits of 5G: faster speeds and lower latency. One of the biggest advantages of 5G is its speed. You can download a 4K movie in seconds, and the lower latency means near instant communication for applications like autonomous vehicles or remote surgeries. Supporting billions of devices, 5G will also support the Internet of Things, allowing billions of devices to be connected simultaneously, from smart cities to smart homes, making our world more interconnected. Impact on computing industry. Impact on cloud computing and data centers. For the computing industry, 5G faster speeds and lower latency will enable new cloud-based services and edge computing applications, making real-time data processing more effective. New revenue opportunities. 5G will open up new revenue streams, especially in sections like healthcare, entertainment, and manufacturing, where new technologies such as virtual reality and autonomous systems will thrive. 5G and society. Real-world benefits to society. Beyond technology, 5G will have a profound impact on society. It will transform how we work, play, and live. In healthcare, for example, remote surgeries will become possible, and smart cities will become more efficient with better connectivity. Benefits to daily life. 5G will enhance education, allowing for a better e-learning opportunities, and it will even help combat climate change by enabling smart, connected infrastructure for energy management. Conclusion. In conclusion, 5G is more than just faster internet. It's a game changer for industry, consumers, and society as a whole. Its potential to connect the world in new ways will change how we interact with technology and each other. As 5G continues to roll out, we'll begin to see the exciting possibilities it offers in areas like healthcare, transportation, and smart cities. Thank you for listening, and stay tuned for more and how this technology will shape our future.